Hold on, but like.
Hey guys, this is Godzilla feeding time. We are feeding him this baby rat because he's getting bigger.
And crickets are not doing it no more.
And the crickets are not making him bigger anymore.
So Dad's gonna help. Put it down here. Put it down here. Right here like that. Are you ready?
He's ready to.
Whoa.
He jumped. Did you guys see that jump? He just took that right away. Yep. Daddy, I don't think you should hit that back close. He's really shredding him. Oh no, that's really bad for him.
Maybe stand out of the shade. There you go. There you go.
Crazy. Open. He should be dead.
Not yet, dude.
Okay, still try.
Come here. Yep, here he goes. Head first.
Yep.
Eventually, we'll be feeding him rabbits. There he goes. Watch how fast he eats them like spaghetti.
Yeah, yep. He squished his brain. Yeah, they always go first because they can choke if they go to the tail. That including snakes, lizards, geckos, all the other animals. Because then they can consume the tail easier if they go head first. Is that correct, Daddy?
That's absolutely correct, baby. 100%.
I just guessed that.
No, that was not a guess. That was a very good, educated guess. And you did a really good job with that, bud.
Thanks. Yep.
This is perfect. This is nature at its best, guys.
Somewhat nature.
Wait another year, he'll be eating rabbits. Follow and like, and you will see more. That's for sure.
He's looking at the camera now.
He is. He's like, I'm famous.
He's like, you can record me all you want.
He's like, as long as you give me big old fat little guys like this was good. All right, he's good. He's done. He's like, all right, I don't want him attacking me now. Okay, we're done.
He's getting scared of the camera.
No, he was about to attack the camera. Okay, guys. Gino signing off.
Bye. Have a good day.